First check water tank, it must be full of water when working. Then check the lubrication tank, it must be enough of oil. Turn on the engine power switch. Turn the diesel engine start key. And start the diesel engine after the power indicator light illuminates. Turn on the mixing switch. Press the pumping button to start pumping. In case of pipe blockage, first press the pump stop button, then press the reversing button. Flashing forward pumping indicator means reverse pumping status. Press the pumping off button to finish. For remote control operation, switch the button on the control panel to remote mode. Press the pump start button on the remote controller to start pumping. And press the pump stop button to stop pumping. After remote operation is finished, switch back to local control mode. Shut down the diesel engine. And cut off the power supply.